Okay guys, so I am going to set up my new Samsung smart dishwasher. And then I'll go over all the details of all the different features and everything. So for now, let's just get started on the setup. It's gonna sing to you. And then over here, you'll see that there's a timer. This timer just indicates how long it's gonna take to wash, or basically it's gonna indicate how long it's gonna take for the cycle to end. But we will go over all of that in a second. So when you wanna connect your dishwasher, you'll get a notification on your app that'll say dishwasher, it'll give you the model number, and then you're gonna select add. This is the SmartThings app. You should be able to find this in both Apple and Android. You'll see everything is getting ready. Prepare your device. So you're going to turn on your dishwasher by pushing and holding down this power button. And then you're going to hold down the button Smart Control for more than 3 seconds or until the letters AP appear. So let's hold down Smart Control, which is your last button right here. 1, 2, 3. Now you see AP. Once AP pops up on your dishwasher, you're going to go ahead and select next in your app. And then it'll ask if it can join to your Wi-Fi network. So you're going to make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. It's going to tell you that it's connecting to your device. You will still see the letters AP. That's okay. Okay. So once it's looking for your device, you'll start to see that it's kind of making these little lines. That's basically it loading. So it's waiting for a Wi-Fi connection. So you're going to go ahead and select your Wi-Fi connection. You're going to put in your password and select connect. It'll tell you that it's registering your device. And it'll be adding this device to your SmartThings app. So the good thing about adding this to your SmartThings app is you'll be able to control the dishwasher from your phone, get notifications when the dishwasher is finished. You'll get notification of any repairs that need to be made or any leaks. So it's just overall useful to have. So once you register your device, it'll show a success. And then it'll have you, the location will be my home, your room is in your kitchen, device name dishwasher, and you can set it as your favorite. Setting it as your favorite just makes sure that you can see it on the home screen with all your other devices. So then you can see that it's ready, and now you can go ahead and start using your dishwasher. So this is just a silverware compartment, and as you can see, I don't know how to open it, but these two little flaps do open up if you wanted to put silverware in there, but you really don't have to open them because you can just stick it straight through the top like that. It's super convenient to have. This other little pocket over here is for your larger silverware or just kind of like your cooking spoons, just so you have that extra space. This middle rack, when you pull these two yellow levers, you can extend the space in between the middle rack and the bottom rack. For example, I wanted to wash my air fryer rack that was in my oven, and look, it gives me just enough space by lifting it up to fit that rack in there. So that was really convenient. So you do have that option as well when you want to wash larger pots or your air fryer rack.
Basic Express 60 is just a 1-hour wash. I've used the other settings before, but 2 hours sometimes is just too long for me, so I will stick to the hour wash. But let's go through some of the options that you have. So with selecting normal, you can see you have 2 hours and 8 minutes to wash the dishes. If you select heavy, that'll bring you, or pre-blast, I think adds only 10 seconds in the beginning of your cycle. Normal and what is that, lower rack. So you are able to combine your cycles, and however you combine your cycles will determine how long it'll take for that cycle to complete itself. If you do normal and you do lower rack plus storm wash, so you're able to select more than just 2 options, that'll bring you to 214. Those are your hours and your minutes, by the way, for anyone who was unsure. If you wanted to unselect an option, you just click on it again. So now with normal and storm wash, you're at 2 hours and 34 minutes. And if you wanted to really get the grease off of your dishes, you just click the big dinner. You can do heavy plus storm wash. That'll bring you to 2 hours and 43 minutes. If you wanted a high temperature wash, in conjunction with your heavy and storm wash, you do 248. And if you wanted to sanitize your dishes, you just hold down sanitize for 3 seconds and it'll give you that lock indicator. And if you're like, I don't want to sanitize, you just hold it down for 3 more seconds and the lock indicator disappears. I wanted to point out how quiet this thing is.
So when it's just about finished, it'll send you a notice, a sound, and it'll pop open. So that's what I was trying to get to. So it'll send you a notice at about the 5-minute mark that it's finished, and then it will pop open for that last just about 4 minutes, so that the dishes don't have water spots. It'll air dry it out and make sure that your dishes are nice and pretty. It'll still show that you got about 4 minutes left. These buttons that you see, so that little sun button right there, it looks like a sunshine or a snowflake. That notification is to let you know you ran out of rinse. Oh, you guys can see the steam. Ooh, nice and steamy. That little sunshine button is to let you know that you are out of rinse aid, which I will be picking up today, which is what you would put right here. And then the Wi-Fi button, and then the 4 minute, now we're at the 3-minute mark, and then when it's done, it'll sing you a little song and you'll be done. So yeah, guys, this is the Samsung Bespoke Dishwasher with storm wash and white glass. Like I said, we wanted all of our appliances to match. My stove is also white glass here at the bottom. I'll be making another video going over the details of my my refrigerator. This is also Samsung Bespoke. And after we cover all the appliances, we will be moving on to cabinets. So I believe in the next couple of weeks, we're gonna be getting some cabinets for the walls, and we're gonna get new cabinets and everything underneath. We're going to get a new sink, a new countertop. We're moving the computer. We're lowering our bar to counter height to give us kind of a little bit more counter space. But I'm super excited. We're getting a new pantry, and yeah, it's gonna be super exciting. So I hope to see you guys. I hope you like and subscribe. Please share the video, and thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about the dishwasher, just let me know in the comments. I'm always available to answer any questions that you have, or even about the stove. If you didn't see the stove, head on over to my first video. I went into the details about the stove. All of the Samsung appliances do connect to your SmartThings app, so that's also really convenient. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.
You can find the link for that Samsung Bespoke Dishwasher listed in my description. Thanks so much for visiting PixiesHome.